Have you seen her cosplay? Chef's kiss. Absolutely magnificent. It is day 3 of Black History Month, and today I'm going to be introducing you guys, or maybe reintroducing you guys, to some phenomenal Black cosplayers that you should be following and supporting this Black History Month. Hi if you're new, and if not, welcome back to the Colorful Babe Nation. If you're new, you should, subscribe and join the Colorful Babe Nation. But also don't forget to like, comment, and share because we are on the road to what? 1K. Our first cosplayer is Megamite. Isn't she absolutely adorable, you guys? Look at her. I just can't. Absolutely cute. I love the kawaii-esque things she does with her cosplays to kind of just make them super cute, super frilly, super girly, but also super badass at the same time. She's so amazing, very supportive, very sweet, and she also has a TikTok and an Instagram, so you can support by following, liking, or whatever you can do to make sure that you show that girl some love because she's awesome. Our next cosplayer is Magical Black Girl Alia. Oh my god, you guys, I absolutely love her. She's one of the very first cosplayers I really met in the Black cosplay community. She's so sweet, absolutely so sweet. She's the cosplayer that'll tell you happy birthday on your birthday every year. Such a sweetie pie. She's so creative and so talented. She's grown a lot this year too, which is just, if you want to know how talented she is. My favorite post of her recently is this Batwoman post. It's freaking phenomenal, amazing. And I love watching her creativity. I love how she fights the criticism she gets because people attack her a lot. Don't know why. She's amazing. But I guess that's how you know you're amazing, when people want to attack you. But she's phenomenal. She's also on TikTok and on Twitter. I love following her on Twitter. She always has the tea. So if you want someone good to follow on Twitter, follow Magical Black Girl Alia. Our next cosplayer is going to be Rhea Parker. First of all, y'all, if you are new to cosplay and you want someone who's going to break down everything from armor to sewing to character design, she is your girl. That girl breaks down everything completely. She gives you the rundown. She is literally a cosplay guide. Like she will take you through. She's actually partnering with Learn TikTok right now. So on TikTok, she's doing step-by-steps on how to use 3D printers. Even if you're not a cosplayer and you're just curious about 3D printers, she has a lot of info on that. So definitely go check that out. 100% amazing. They have a lot of info, a lot of information on sewing techniques, on how to make things easier, on how to take shortcuts. It's amazing. Definitely check out Rhea Parker on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter because her Twitter also be popping off. I love her Twitter. Next is my love bug, Princess Nova! You guys, one of my first cosplay friends and I love her to death! Oh, she's such a walking kawaii princess! Sorry, just fangirling over my friend, but she's super sweet. I got to meet her at WakanaCon. She's adorable. One of the kindest people I've ever met in my entire life. Does the cutest cosplays. She's most famous for her Nana cosplay because it's awesome. Like, she could do this cosplay 50 different ways and it will still be as awesome as the first one. So completely talented. Also has a TikTok. I absolutely love her, not only just because her cosplays are amazing, but also how much kindness she gives. She has such a kind heart. She's such a caring person. She's a teacher. She's so sweet. So if you want to just, if you want to support someone who's just got a good, wholesome heart, you definitely want to support her because seriously, one of the nicest and kindest people I've ever met in my life. And honestly, in this world, that's really hard to find. So, yes. Next up, we have Princess TK Cosplay. Look at this cutie pie. Princess TK Cosplay is super awesome. They do a wide range of cosplays, so sometimes it's going to be closet cosplay, sometimes it's going to be full cosplay, sometimes it's only going to be cosplay makeup. And you know what? All of it is great. I'm kind of in the same range, so I absolutely love that. Super supportive cosplayer and a super, super creative one. Definitely if you're looking for somebody who's going to cosplay your childhood, Princess TK Cosplay is the person for you because they cosplay a lot of childhood favorites. Like I said, all of the cosplayers' information will be linked in my description box below so that you're able to actually go and check out these cosplayers for yourself. So let me know, like, which cosplayer, like, are you looking super excited to support? Like, have you supported Black cosplayers in the past during Black History Month? Like, I'm really curious. Next up, we have Lunary. You can see her right there. Super, 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 super cute and creative. Absolutely obsessed with them. I love that they take cosplay to their own personal interpretations instead of doing the cosplay like everybody else. I love the character choices. I absolutely love that you can go to their page and see that they cosplay for the original, like, intent of cosplay is to just share the characters you love, and I absolutely love that. They are a phenomenal Black cosplayer and absolutely one of my faves. Next up is Ashley. Oh my god, look at Ashley. Ashley is just the ultimate cosplay boyfriend. They are just chef's kiss. Like, look at this! Look at that! When I tell you the thirst traps on TikTok, I can't. Like, I can't. I'm like, why are you doing this to me, Ashley? Oh, I love Ashley so much. Literally my favorite person in the entire world. And they know they're my favorite person in the entire world. Like, my whole world changed when I met Ashley. Like, so Ashley is on this panel. They're recently changing their name. I did a interview with another one of the panel members, but Ashley's interview on my podcast is coming up. But Ashley is on a panel called Cosplaying While Black. So Ashley talks about they receive critiques all the time on their cosplay, but at the end of the day, they are going to be themselves and they do not care, period, poo, the end. And I absolutely love that. Like, if you want a cosplayer that's going to keep you giggling and just smiling all the time, it's Ashley. Ashley's the ultimate. Like, I cannot. Anytime I'm sad, I just go to Ashley's page and watch their little TikToks, and then I feel better about myself. Like, I just love it. I'm just like, thank you. I needed this. Coming in at number 8, we have Lusciously Wicked Cosplay. You guys, look at Chloe. I love Chloe. You guys know, like, I gush over the Chicago cosplayers so much, but I love me some Chloe. Chloe Lusciously Liquid Cosplay was on my podcast, I want to say, last week or the week before, where we did an interview talking about how to support the POC community in POC cosplayers as an ally. Phenomenal. Chloe is phenomenal. Chloe also does drag, also does burlesque, I believe. Like, just everything, all in cosplay, always amazing all the time. Meeting Chloe is like an event. Like, Chloe is the drama, baby. The drama, the event, the immaculate, the gorgeous, the fashionable, like everything. Chloe actually runs the Cosplaying While Black panel. So she's on that with Ashley. I see it every single time they do it at a con. They do it at pretty much all the Chicago cons. And they really get into the nitty gritty, and they just talk about explaining that this character and this character, what's the difference? And people will usually say, oh, the skin tone, or the hair is curly. And then we look at them and we say, there is no difference. This character and this character is still Princess Peach. Whether she is black and she is white, whether she has curly hair for Princess Peach and she has straight hair for Princess Peach, they're both Princess Peach, and you can't decide this one's the black one. For what? Exactly. It's actually a super insult to tell a cosplayer that you're the black version of this. You could have just kept your mouth shut. It's so rude. It's like, no, I'm this character. I can't wash it off. I'm black. Like, it is what it is. Like, but I'm still this character. There's no black versions. Like, what? So Chloe's amazing. Chloe's super talented. If you're in the Chicago area, when the world opens back up, Chloe will be doing a lot of drag shows. So definitely go check her out. Support her because I love her. And, you know, yeah, look at this. Amazing. Immaculate. Do you have any black cosplayers that didn't make this list? Let me know, because I would really love to follow them. Like, I am all about supporting cosplayers and helping them build their brands. As a cosplayer who's worked with a lot of different brands, I just want to see all my cosplay friends succeed. Like, we're all trying to get a plate at this dinner table, okay? So let me know if you have some that I'm not following or that I did not mention. Mention them below in the comments so I can make sure to follow them. Coming up next is Cheyenne Jazzwise. Oh my god, Cheyenne. If you want some beautiful content, please follow Cheyenne. Cheyenne is just, oh my god. Like, fantastic third generation, I believe, seamstress. She can sew anything. She could sew a paper bag and make it look amazing. And so Cheyenne has an amazing Instagram, but she also has a TikTok where she gives you step-by-steps on how she sews these cosplays. We've watched her sew part of Lydia's dress from Beetlejuice. We've watched her sew the Little Mermaid dress. Like, we're watching her sew Kigurumis, and she does sew-alongs, which I think is so cute, where she'll take the pattern, show you a pattern she's using, and so that you can sew the cosplay along with her. It's great teaching mechanism for beginner sewers who are not entirely sure how it's supposed to look, how to read a pattern. She teaches all of that with Learn on TikTok. Oh my god, Cheyenne is a godsend and has helped me through some tough jams, let me tell you. Definitely make sure that you check her out. Check out her Instagram. She's just phenomenal. Like, and the thing that she's known for is hate cosplaying, which I freaking love. And essentially hate cosplaying is that when people tell you this character can't be black, she's like, bet. When they said Ariel couldn't be black, she made a dreadlock, faux lock, I guess, wig of red hair and made a black Ariel and did not care, because she said, you're not gonna tell me this character can't be black. I could be any character I freaking want to. And I love that energy. Like, we need more of that energy. It's just... And finally, our last cosplayer on our list is going to be Coco Cosplay. Oh my gosh, Coco Cosplay is like my kawaii dreams come true. So creative, so talented. Even when she'd be like, I didn't really like this cosplay, I'm like, but I loved it. But everything you did was amazing. Like, Coco is so fantastic, super, super, super creative, and kind of just, doesn't do what you expect. Like, does different cosplays than, you know, the ones everyone else does, and I absolutely love that. Coco Cosplay is so talented and deserves your like, deserves your follow, and definitely deserves your double tap so she gets them hearts. I'm just saying. And, you know, share the cosplay in your Instagram stories. Go check her out on TikTok. Like, seriously, fantastic cosplayer. Wow, so many amazing cosplayers, you guys. And black cosplaying is hard. Cosplaying while black is exhausting. And I know these guys would love a like, they would love a share, they would love a comment. Whatever you have time to do, I would definitely suggest you go do it, just to give them a little bit of a lift up, just to lift their spirits, because this is our month and this is the only time we really get to shine. That's it. After 337 days of being told we can't, we get 28 days to be told we can. And we cherish every single moment of it. Next week's gonna be a highly requested video. We are doing Audrey's makeup from Descendants 3. I did this on TikTok, as you can see right there. People were obsessed with it, so definitely make sure that you are hitting that notification bell and you're subscribed so that you do not miss it when I bring Audrey to life, because she's the queen of me. Yes, y'all are ready? You are not ready for me to turn into the queen of me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I